101 for crude oil and 6.2 for NG has proven out to be a stronger support levels, and again with those as support both are trying to trade with a rise. Now what is going to happen today? Which trade we should take, which entry we should take, we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First, we'll look into US crude followed with natural gas. At the end of every analysis, I'll give you the trading levels and trading strategy for that instrument. So, do listen to it carefully. Do watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start with US crude first. Now, if you watch my analysis regularly, one can clearly observe that it is giving you higher lows, it is giving you lower highs, and it is trying to consolidate in this zone. Now, what is the result of a consolidation? A breakout. Either which ways it breaks out, it is going to be a stronger breakout. Now, very clearly you can see here 103 levels you have to watch out for. If it trades below 103, you can go short, that is very clear. And if it trades beyond 105, yes, you can stay long. We will try to see more detail in other time frames. The 106 and 102 zone is going to be a larger, stronger zone in which it might trade. Oscillator trading on the sell side, directional movement trading on the sell side. MACD is not indicative of anything. RSI trying to look downwards and stochastic is also trying to look downwards. Now if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts similarly you will observe the same phenomena. Higher lows, lower highs, higher lows, lower highs, so indicating a strong consolidation, and a consolidation results to breakout. Below 103, go short. The target is 102, very strong support, and this time it may not get the support. This time it may go well below these levels if it trades below 103 levels. At the same time, 105 levels, go long. If you see it trading beyond 105, yes, 106 is there, very strong resistance, 106.5, and beyond that it will hit 108 levels. Now, the oscillator is trading in the sell side. Directional movement is bearish. The MACD is the only thing which is bullish right now. It is trading in the greener side of it. RSI trading flat, now looking downwards. Stochastic is looking to bounce back on the 2-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour charts too. On the 3-hour charts, here is the bottom, here is the bottom, here is the bottom. Increasing lows, higher lows, and here is the lower highs out there. So I will recommend not to take a position in between 103 and 105. It may swing a bit in between these $2. Oscillators trading in the sell zone. Directional movement bearish. MACD is bullish here, trading green, and it is divergent. RSI flat. Stochastic at bottom or the oversold levels, indicative that it may try to bounce back. Now if you look at the 4-hour charts, similarly on the 4-hour charts, it is creating higher support base, it is creating higher lows. Now I'll be watchful of this, and if it trades above this, if it trades above 103 levels, it can hit 106, 105.5. These two levels are watchful, these two levels are important. This is going to be a stronger resistance zone, 105.5, 106 and 106.5. These three levels rather you should be watchful of. Once it trades below 106.5, it will directly land to 108, and then 110 levels can also be expected. On the downside, once it trades below 103, I will look forward to 102 levels. The first support 101, the next support, and then it will breach the $100 level also. The oscillator trading in the sell side, trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. Directional movement is on the sell side. MACD is only thing which is right now in green, and it is diverging also, indicating little bit of bullishness. RSI trading flat. stochastic looking downwards. Now if you look at the daily charts, see, look at the daily charts like this. Previously higher highs have been seen for 3 candles, and then it is seen lower lows. The pivot is somewhere at around 108 levels. Now this is one observation. Last 2 candle diminishing body size, this is the second observation. Third, as this is giving lower highs, the new candle here is about to begin in next couple of hours. In my broker it will begin in some time. So once the next candle starts and it trades above 105, that is a very good level to go long, and then you can expect 106 must be there, which will be achieved. Beyond 106, 106.5, if it trades, we can expect higher levels still towards. See, this is the 100 period moving average, which will give it a resistance at 107.5. So this will get achieved, and if it trades above, one can expect it to give 110 also. So yes, till the time it trades above 103, one can stay long, one can expect 105, 106 and 106.5. If these three are taken, then it is going to hit 108 levels. On the downside, if it trades below 103, you have to go short. You have to expect that it is going to hit 102, 101 and 100. 100 is a very strong support levels. Below $100, you can expect 97, 98. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly, and yes, do not forget to put your stop loss to cost every time you see your trade is in green. See, the oscillator there is on the sell side, the candle height is increasing, the directional movement is bearish, MACD is also white divergent bearish, RSI trading flat, and stochastic oversold. Probably we may see a bounce back. I will look forward to 105, 106.5 levels, and in fact it can trade beyond those levels. 108 and 110 can also be expected. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Now look at natural gas. The support at 6.2 is strong. 6.24, 6.25 it is seen as giving the stronger support. Higher lows are getting created, higher highs are getting created. If you see it trading beyond 6.35, go long. 6.4 the first target, and then it will try to hit 6.6 also. Till the time it trades below 6.4, we can see a little drop, but yes, 6.2 is a very strong support level. So in between 6.2, 6.35, do not trade. Oscillator, they are trading on the sell side but trying to converge. Directional movement is bearish but trying to converge. MACD is bearish but trying to converge. RSI is near to oversold levels. Stochastic is looking upwards, it was oversold. So most of the indicators are either oversold and are trying to converge and cross over for a bullish entry. This is just on the hourly charts. Now let's have a look at 2-hour charts. Look at the 2-hour charts. Consolidation for fairly strong time. A sharp breakout, single candle on the 2-hour charts. Again consolidating here on this. Now another observation. See how the highs are getting pulled back here, and indicative that still there is certain limited bearishness here. Also it is taking a support at 6.25, because if it trades below this, this is also a very strong support zone here for NG, and below 6.2 you can expect that it is going to hit $6 levels. However, most of the indicators right now are near to bottom. Now look at this, it is given you lower highs since then, you can see here. And even if it continues to rise beyond 6.4, 6.4 you have to watch out for the day. We have seen it getting resistance there. If it trades above 6.4, go long for 6.6. So above 6.4 definitely it will try to hit 6.6. Oscillator trying to give you greener candles. Directional movement is bearish, and if you look at the MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. RSI oversold, indicative of bounce back. Stochastic oversold, indicative of a bounce back. On the 3-hour charts, See, first of all, the next candle will start now, but on the 3-hour charts, lower highs, higher lows. So it is getting a support on the downside and the resistance on the upside. Go long if you see it trading beyond 6.34 levels. Above 6.34, you can stay long for 6.4, and beyond 6.4 you can expect a rise till towards 6.6 later in the day. Till the time it trades above 6.2 levels, you can stay long, but the rather I will recommend you to take a long entry only above 6.34, 6.35, and only short entry is below 6.2. Oscillator, they are trading on the sell side. Directional movement is bearish. The MACD has also traded on the sell side, but it is trying to converge. RSI oversold, indicative of a bounce back. Stochastic oversold, indicative that there might be support and it might bounce back. Coming back to the 4-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. It has stayed in this zone for throughout the week, rather I will say. Then this breakout happened. Now it is trying to trade or reflect or replicate the same, and hence it may trade in a narrow zone for now. May try to achieve 6.5, 6.6 zone before it looks over to drop. So see, also it is getting the support here. Now also it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, trying to bounce back from here. This is the first green candle, and probably if it trades above 6.2 levels, we can expect it to hit 6.4, the first target, and then 6.5, 6.6, 6.65 levels. In fact, it can rise well beyond these levels. It can completely reverse. That is also very much possible. Oscillator there trading on the sell side. Directional movement bearish. MACD has just crossed over third red candle, and it can give you more red candles. It can become divergent. RSI oversold, it can bounce back. Stochastic oversold, it can bounce back. So be watchful of this. Look at the daily charts. Here was the resistance 6.8. With that as the resistance, it has shown you good drop, and this is a breakout. So it broke out of this zone between 6.5 and 6.8, 6.9 zone. Now this is the first red candle. Will the second red candle follow? There is a probability that there could be a second red candle. And yes, it can retrace back a bit on the upside till towards 6.4 levels before it looks forward to a drop. This is also possible. The next resistance zone I will look at 6.55 levels. Venturing above 6.55, 6.6 zone, it will again try to give you lower highs here. It can try to in fact hit 6.8 levels. I will be cautious. I will be also cautious of 6.2 levels. Once it trades below 6.2, if you see the next candle trading below 6.2, go short, and then it will take you below $6 levels, and then we can see a little more drop there. The oscillator there trading bearish. Directional movement is bearish. MACD is bearish. RSI is at bottom. Stochastic is oversold. Considering this, only long entry in net gas is above 6.34, 6.35 levels. First resistance and strongest resistance is at 6.4, then 6.5 and 6.6. Be watchful of the zone 6.5, 6.6. I have always maintained and told that 6.5, 6.6 zone is a very strong support zone when it was trading on the buy side. Now it will be the resistance zone while trading on the sell zone, while trading below these levels. So yes, achieving 6.5, 6.6, it can again try to drop, but breaking beyond 6.6, it is going to further remain bullish. It can try to hit 6.8, 6 and further levels on the upside. At the same time, if you see it trading below 6.2, go short. We can expect $6 levels and $5.95 levels in the charts today. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Things are oversold. We may see a little sideways movement or a little bullish movement today in the net gas. Take your trades accordingly. Join my Telegram channel and join my VIP signals group. You can also join my mentorship batch if you want to gain the same expertise on reading the charts. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.